And we have another one. It's certainly busy, very busy. There's another one behind that as well. I'll share that with you in a second. Get ready in a minute, folks, for jet number 3. Okay, here's jet number 3. There we go. These are all following each other. We'll zoom out. Okay, one more. This is a Boeing 747. It is blocked. It's got a block signal, so I don't know who it is, what it is, what it's carrying. Checked it on 2 different navs, flight radar and air nav, both showing block signal. But I can tell you it's come from Frankfurt. Alright, we'll zoom out from that one. Want to see the moon while I'm here? Let's have a look at the moon. Beautiful image of the moon. Can you actually imagine that very soon American astronauts are going to be taking off? Oh, another plane. American astronauts are going to be taking off and going around the moon back to Earth once again. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're all having a great day. Take care of yourselves. Bye.